Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your own avatar sticker in Instagram story. So now you can, as you know that now there is avatar that you can create on Instagram, and if you don't know how to create your avatar, you can watch my previous video, and I might be add the link in the description. So now I'm going to show you how to update your story with your own avatar sticker. So I'm going to just click on the plus icon in your story, and I'm going to, for example, update this photo. And what you need to do is you can click on the sticker icon at the top, and here you'll find avatar. Click on that. So you can see there are various stickers that is created with your own avatar in here, and I think it is really good. For example, I want to uh, choose this ones right here. Okay, you can just place your sticker in whenever you like, wherever you like, for example like this. And you can also add more than one sticker like this. And after that, you can just click on your story to update your Instagram story with your sticker in it. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can add your own avatar sticker in Instagram story. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.